Welcome to Everyday with Evie and
Evan.
So, unfortunately, we had to stop filming for a little bit because I have braces
And I got my leg broken.
Yeah,
On my
he
ankle.
hurt his leg. And I'm the one filming today. My mom can't film today because, it's a rainy day out here. And we saw 2 bunnies and 2 deers and 2 birds out at our house.
And there's a bunch of creatures out in our world, out in this, so we're going to find them.
Yeah, what he said, but a bit different.
Yeah.
So, if you want to, you can join us along our journey. Right now, I called my mom just a second ago to see, because we saw that bunny, and I let her know.
It came out of the bush.
Yeah. So, we're gonna go inside, and yeah, come on. We're not gonna go inside just yet.
We're just going to find more creatures out
We're going to look around, see what we can
and
find.
see any more creatures.
Well, I'm gonna start a photo journal, and yeah, it's a rainy day right now.
Yeah.
Do you like my braces, everybody?
And Papa went out of town.
Yeah, our papa, he went out of town a few weeks ago, and he's gonna get home today. So
And
today's a happy day.
And Daddy just got on a trip.
Yeah, my dad and his dad got out of a trip. So, if you're not familiar with our channel, you have to make sure.
Evie.
Well-
Evie, I just heard a bunny noise or a deer noise or any kind of noise from an animal.
Okay, let me finish the video. So, yeah, and also, if you're new to our channel, basically we do everything. And I'm Evie, and this is Evan. And we're here with Evie and Evan, and this is science. If whoever clicks the subscribe button and turns on notification and hits the like button is 20% smarter than every other person else. It's totally off of science. Look it up. Bye, everybody. Have fun. And make this day a Evie and
Evan Day.
what he said. Bye, everybody. Have a fun day.
Evie,